Andriki Namaskar. So, for today's video, I'm going to explain about the mythological story of how Ugadi is created, and also how Ugadi was, why Ugadi was celebrated by the Telugu people, and what are the mythological stories that have connection with this festival. So, if you don't know today's Ugadi, I have done a previous video, so you can go and watch that video. So, it is about Telugu people, and they are the one who's celebrating Ugadi as the new year for them. So, the mythological story that is related for the Ugadi is the first avatar of Lord Vishnu. If you don't know, Lord Vishnu have took 10 avatars, and there are 10 stories related to this. The first avatar of Lord Vishnu is Matsya. Matsya is a fish that he born as a fish to kill the demon under the sea to get back the Vedas, which the demon stole it. So the moment when Lord Vishnu took this avatar, he turned into a fish to kill the demon and also to get the Vedas. And by the time when he was getting back the Vedas, Brahma was, it's like this earth was not even created, or it's more so of like all the evil things came up, and there's no justice or no kindness in the world, because of Vedas is no more. Vedas is like good things and also moral values in Hindu culture. So the moment when Vishnu returned back this Vedas to the Brahma, Brahma created this world that we are living in right now, and this is the day where Telugu people believe that this is the first day of the world, and also they are starting as a new year to celebrate it. So this is the mythological story of Ugadi and why it is celebrated. So this is one of the most easiest way that I'm making this mythological story according to the celebration that is happening. I mean, a lot of events happening this days from Navaratri, and also Tamil people, Chitrai, Puttandi is also coming, and also now there is Ugadi, and if I'm not mistaken, there is another Holi, and so many things are coming up for this one. If you notice, so many good festivals is coming up and a lot of celebrations. So I will try to do the videos accordingly for with the most easiest way to understand the mythological story, as well what are the connections that we can see with the celebration festivals and why they are celebrating it, so that you can have an easy understanding about this, and also you will know why and how to celebrate this event. Why are they celebrating? So Ugadi is celebrated, the people will be fasting, and also most of the time they don't take non-veg, and they will go to temple, and a lot of usual thing like how we do a prayer. But since this Ugadi came in a solar eclipse, so there is a certain things they probably won't do. For example, they may not take the fasting will be very long than usual for the people, and also there are certain prayers, certain specific prayers that they need to do, since it's been very tons of a combination coming up this year, if you notice. But solar eclipse, as I say, it's a very good thing. I will do a video about that one. But this one is the mythological stories, since so many people ask about the mythological stories and you guys say that you are not understanding it. So I'm doing this series as the most easiest understanding for you to understand the I mean, yeah, Mercury is retrograding. This is what I'm doing. I just repeat, and also I'm babbling. So yeah. Anyway, this mythological story series is going to be with the festivals coming up, so I will do one by one as much as I can. So thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.